Welcome to my channel History and Mysteries with MNG.
Imagine a world where everyone believed the Earth was the center of the universe. Everything revolved around us. The sun, the moon, the stars, all danced to the tune of Earth's existence. This was the accepted truth for centuries. Then came Galileo Galilei. He dared to question, he dared to observe, he dared to prove everyone wrong. Galileo's story is one of relentless curiosity and unwavering courage. Born in Pisa, Italy in 1564, he possessed a mind that craved understanding. From a young age, Galileo questioned everything. He tinkered, he explored, he yearned to unravel the mysteries of the natural world. This burning curiosity would ignite a revolution, forever changing our place in the cosmos.
Galileo Galilei was born on February 15, 1564, in Pisa, Italy. His father, Vincenzo Galilei, was a musician and wanted young Galileo to think for himself and question old ideas, something that shaped Galileo's whole life. As a boy, Galileo loved to learn about how things worked. He noticed things that others didn't, like how chandeliers swung back and forth in the church. He later used this idea to study pendulums, which would help invent better clocks. At first, Galileo's father sent him to study medicine at the University of Pisa because doctors earned good money. But Galileo didn't love medicine. He loved math and science. He secretly took math classes and soon switched to study physics and mathematics full-time. While still a student, Galileo noticed something simple but important. Heavier objects don't fall faster than lighter ones. This went against what famous thinkers like Aristotle had said for hundreds of years. Galileo tested his idea by dropping objects of different weights from the Leaning Tower of Pisa, according to legend. He showed that unless air slowed them down, all objects fall at the same speed. Later, Galileo became a teacher. He taught math first at Pisa, then at Padua. He was very curious about the skies, and when he heard about a new invention called the telescope, created in the Netherlands, he built his own, and made it even better. In 1609, Galileo pointed his telescope at the night sky, and what he saw shocked the world. He saw that the moon was not smooth and perfect like people thought, but rough and covered with mountains and craters. He discovered 4 moons orbiting Jupiter, today called the Galilean moons: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. This proved that not everything revolves around Earth. He saw that the planet Venus went through phases like the moon. This only made sense if Venus orbited the sun, not Earth. All these discoveries supported the ideas of a Polish scientist named Nicholas Copernicus, who had said years earlier that the Earth and other planets orbit the sun, not the other way around. However, the Catholic Church at that time believed strongly that Earth was the center of the universe, based on older teachings. When Galileo started writing books and telling people what he saw, church leaders got very angry. In 1633, Galileo was put on trial for heresy. That means going against the church's official beliefs. Even though Galileo had proof from his telescope, he was forced to say he was wrong. As punishment, he spent the rest of his life under house arrest. Even while stuck at home, Galileo kept working. He wrote a book about physics called Two New Sciences, which became the foundation for much of modern engineering and motion studies. He studied how objects move, fall, and roll, work that later helped scientists like Isaac Newton. Galileo died on January 8, 1642, but his ideas lived on. Over time, people realized that Galileo was right. His courage to question old beliefs and his passion for experiments helped create modern science as we know it today.